All the big shots, big hospital owners, clinic owners, they think in like long term. If any doctor wants to know is 100% guaranteed that I'm going to double my practice, that would depend on how consistent you're willing to stay in the market. The doctor is saying, I know this is not going to get me results. I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. If you want to build a 100 crore practice and you are expecting that you're going to throw peanuts to the people who are going to help you build this 100 crore practice, you will get monkeys only and you will remain where you are. I want all the doctors to make this a rule that you're only going to practice for about 70% of your entire clinical working hours. The problem with majority of the doctors, hospitals and clinic owners is they get so stuck into their practice that they are unable to think. He was making 80 lakhs per month, but his life was so miserable. If somebody is coming to me today and telling that, Laksh, can you build me a 100 crore practice? My first question will be in how much time? If their answer is in the next 6 months to 1 year, I'll be like, no, sorry, not possible. No, I understand the problem is not even with the doctor. They have been trained for treating people or treating patients. I every day hear somebody getting scammed by marketing agencies. It's a nicely show. If you're posting like, let's say 10 days, you're posting the video, 200,000 views you will get. Out of that, let's consider at least 10% of the people watch this particular video and book the appointment with you. I mean, what nonsense. Who will talk about, when you're doing personal branding on social media, you get scattered viewership. I really feel so sad for doctors. They are going through all this. To all the doctors who are watching, see, one thing I want you to understand, there are also players in the market who have used these mediums and scaled their practice to, multi-hundreds of crores. If somebody wants to scale, they can scale their practice to next level. It's just the mindset. The reason why they are stuck is because of the small mindset. I'll tell you, see, there are a lot of applications that we get from clinics and hospitals. You know what I see? Current revenue, they are doing about 10 to 20 lakhs. The aspirational, what is the goal in the next 1 year? 1 crore, 50 lakhs, 2 crores. When we ask them, okay, currently, what are you doing in terms of scaling your practice? They tell we are doing marketing, this, that and all. And when we ask, how much are you spending on your marketing? So they tell we are spending 50,000 rupees monthly. So their expectation is basically to invest 6 lakh rupees annually and build a business worth of 6 crores to 12 crores. If anybody can do that, investors would take out all the money and put it into hospitals and clinics and or to doctors, because they can put like 10x, 100x multiples they are going to make. See, this is the common sense problem, right? So these are the kind of things which I see. Lot of clinic owners, like the other day I was talking to one guy, okay, he was so depressed, his entire thing was, I have studied for so many years, I put in so much of effort in mastering my clinical excellence and everything, and I see like I have no OPDs coming in, I'm sitting idle, everything, I spent so much on my interiors, I've had this machine, I had, I'm at this location, everything. Okay, so I'm telling, what are you doing to bring in patients? So the sir is telling, no, I'm running Meta ads. I was like, very good, you're running Meta ads and all. I just asked him first question, like, what is your ad spend on Meta? 200 rupees per day. And when I asked him, what is the charge that the agency is charging? 3,000 rupees. After that, immediately the next thing what I did was hire my appointment setter, because he failed at the qualification. Somebody with this kind of mindset, I would not prefer to even go on a consultation call with them. So the expectation is, 30 OPDs. So you are trying to build a business of 2.5, 3 crores, and this is the mindset you are having. And doctor is saying, I know this is not going to get me results. I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. So I'm telling, why are you doing it for the sake of doing it? Why are you wasting your time, their time, your career's time, or even my time right now sitting on this consultation call? See, I'm not being rude to any doctors, but I'm just telling you the problem, the mindset issues that I am seeing. If you want to build a 100 crore practice and you are expecting that you're going to throw peanuts to the people who are going to help you build this 100 crore practice, you will get monkeys only and you will remain where you are. If your vision is huge, you want to build 25, 30, 40, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 5 crore worth of practice, then you need to hire experts, because it's the game of the mindset. If you're thinking to build a practice worth of 5 crores per month, how can a team worth of 50 lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees per month can actually help you hit those kind of goals? They can't, right? So you need to first fix the mindset, because with the right mindset, you will get the right people which will help you to hit your goals.